Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. If you want to decorate your home in a beautiful and creative way without spending a lot of money, then today's video is perfect for you. In this video, I'm gonna share some amazing paper decoration craft ideas that are not only easy to make but also give your room and events a stylish premium look. And the best part, you can make all of these at home with simple materials, so let's get started. Number 1. Paper flower wall decoration. The first and most popular idea is paper flower wall decoration. If you have ever seen wedding or birthday setups, you must have noticed how elegant large paper flowers look on walls. They instantly transform a simple space into something luxurious and catching your eye. To make these, you can use colored paper or crepe paper. Start by cutting petals in different sizes, then gently curl the edges using a pencil to give them a realistic shape. After that, glue the petals layer by layer, placing smaller petals in the center and larger ones in the outside. Once you create multiple flowers and arrange them on a wall, you will have a stunning backdrop ready. Use pastel shades for a soft and aesthetic look, or go for bright colors to create a festive vibe. Number 2. Paper fan rosette decoration. Next is the paper fan or rosette decoration, which is very trendy these days. This decoration is perfect for parties and events. Even though it is simple, it creates a very vibrant and attractive look. To make it, fold a sheet of paper in according style. Then fold it in half and glue both ends together to form a circular fan shape. You can create fans in different sizes and colors and layer them on the wall to make a beautiful backdrop. The idea is especially great for beginners because it requires less effort but gives impressive results. Number 3. Paper garland decoration. Now let's talk about paper garland decoration. This is one of the simplest yet most effective decoration ideas. It works perfectly for birthdays, festive occasions, or even everyday room decor. All you need to do is cut shapes like circles, hearts, or stars from colored paper, then attach them to a string at equal distances using glue or by stitching. You can hang these garlands across walls, windows, or ceilings to instantly brighten up the space. Make them based garlands such as moon, stars, or festive events, or fun shapes for kids' rooms. Number 4. 3D paper butterfly wall art. If you want to create a dreamy and aesthetic vibe, then 3D paper butterfly wall art is a perfect choice. In this idea, you cut out butterfly shapes from paper and slightly fold their wings to give a 3D effect. Then stick them on the wall in a pattern that looks like they are flying. This decoration looks modern, elegant, and very Instagram worthy. Arrange butterflies in gradient shades from light to dark or create a stunning visual effect. Paper lantern decoration. The next idea is paper lantern decoration, which is ideal for festive occasions like Ramadan, Eid, wedding, or parties. To make a paper lantern, fold a sheet of paper and cut parallel lines along the fold, making sure not to cut the edges. Then open the paper, roll it into cylinder shapes, and glue the ends together and a handle on top, and your lantern is ready to hang. For an even more beautiful effect, you can place fairy lights inside the lantern to make it glow. This decoration perfectly combines traditional and modern styles. Number 6. Paper quilling wall frames. If you enjoy detailed and artistic work, then paper quilling wall frames are a great option. In this technique, thin strips of paper are rolled and shaped into designs like flowers, leaves, and patterns. These shapes are then arranged and glued into a base inside a frame. Although this craft takes a bit more time, the final result is very elegant and unique. You can use these frames to add a creative and aesthetic artistic touch to your room or living space. Number 7. Paper tassel decoration. Now let's make on to paper tassel decoration, which is very popular in modern party setups. To make tassels, make tissue papers, fold it and cut fringe strips on the bottom, then roll the paper and twist the top to form a tassel shape. You can create multiple tassels and attach them to a string to make a beautiful hanging decoration. This idea works perfectly for birthdays, celebrations, and event backdrops. Number 8. Paper origami hanging decor. Last but not least, we have paper origami hanging decor. Origami is the art of folding paper into different shapes like birds, stars, and hearts. You can hang these shapes using threads to create a simple yet elegant decoration. This style is perfect for kids' rooms or creative spaces because it looks minimal and artistic at the same time. It also helps improve creativity and focus while making it. So these were some amazing paper decoration craft ideas that can you easily try at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more creative ideas like this. Also let me know in the comments which idea you're going to try. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.